हाँ
The Akshay Khatia they totally arrange everything is arranged by my friend, my brother Dipanjay. Say hi to my YouTube channel. Hi, hi karo. Hi. Thank you Dipanjay. Thank you very much. Hi. Today we are sitting in Khuludi temple. You can see behind me there is the famous Giriswara temple, Khuludi. We have come from Sambalpur side. It is exactly 149 kilometers from Sambalpur. Uh, this place belongs to Anugul district. Just on the left side you can find Devgarh district, and in the righter side it is Keonjhar district. This is the western part of Anugul. Beautiful place. This temple is built by Pala dynasty. Pala, which means protector of nature. Beautiful place. Inside the mountain, inside the forest, jungle, deep jungle, you will find this temple. A beautiful place for picnic, fountains, just going alongside the temple. Water is continuously flowing. Now it is May. Today is 3rd May, Akshay Tritiya. So it is very hot here. But in winter season, you can imagine how much beautiful this place will be. Let us explore it through my eyes.
कि थोड़ी बहुत
This is the main gate of Khuludi. Main gate is closed, so going by the side road. This is the fountain. A foot over bridge is made here. You can very well climb and see water from here. Just as it is the month of May, the water source is very thin, so not in a good position to show you the flow of water. In winter season or in rainy season, this place will be marvelous, marvelous. You can imagine, I can imagine how beautiful it will be. These are the miniature of offered at this place. This is Shivalingas. Small Shivalingas are offered. This is the entrance. Again, the door of the temple is not facing, but actually Lord's face is facing towards east. No confusion. Entrance is from north side, but Lord is situated in a position where his face is facing east. This is the waterfall. To the third way, still you can see the flow of water. And it is very cold. Very cold. People are saying that if you go up, there are some stones which will be 50, 70, up to 800, up to 100 feet high. But people, some sadhu sages have stayed there. They are doing cultivation. Banana is cultivated in the upper side of this mountain. People can take bath here. Very low source of water, but still it is looking beautiful. Water coming down from the top of the mountain. Let me try to play with this hanger, natural hanger. Here I am sitting on a hanger, the branch of a tree, old tree, where you can sit and touch the water with your foot. It's a natural hanger, and I am sitting here enjoying the nature's beauty. This is the periphery of this temple. Everywhere it is great. In summer it is difficult to walk here because it is getting too hot, and in barefoot it is not possible at all that you will walk, but temple authorities regularly pouring in water. Still, it is not advisable that you will walk over it in summertime. This is the compound. The fountain is going alongside, and the mountain is on the left hand side of this temple, and also in the right hand side. You can see people say that they can view animals from this temple also at some point of time. Wild animals, they come to take water from this water source. Of course, we could not see in our 1 hour stay, but people say, I have asked to 2-3 people, and they say that they have seen so many animals, including tigers. Some 10-12 sadhus, sages are staying in the temple.
Now the prasad time, you can see prasad are being offered. Special prasad for today's Akshaya Tritiya. We are taking it. Thanks to Dipanja Babu. So many items, paneer, mushroom, ghee, dal, beautiful dal, salad, papad. Dipanja, Parida, my brother, my friend, he has gathered everything. Please visit Khuludi.